Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast.
Hello. It is so good to be here with you today.
I am Sam.
And I am Sophia. We are very happy you are listening.
Yes, we hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today, we have a very useful topic for you.
It is a topic that everyone needs at some point in life.
Exactly. So relax and get comfortable.
Before we start, how are you feeling today?
I hope you are feeling ready to learn.
Remember, listening is the best way to improve your English.
Just listen and enjoy the conversation. You do not need to stress.
That is right. If you like our podcast, please help us.
Yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for your support.
So, Sophia, what are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about renting an apartment.
Oh, that is a big topic. Moving to a new house is exciting.
It is exciting, but it can also be a little stressful.
True. There are many new words to learn.
And many things to organize.
We will talk about finding a place, speaking to the owner, and signing papers.
This is very helpful for anyone living in a new city or country.
Exactly. Let's jump into it. Sophia, have you ever rented an apartment before?
Yes, many times. When I was a university student, I rented a small studio.
A studio? That is a very small apartment, right?
Yes, it is just one room for sleeping and living, plus a bathroom.
I see. Was it difficult to find?
A little bit. I looked at many websites online.
The internet is the best place to start.
Exactly. I looked at photos of different apartments.
But photos can be tricky. Sometimes the photos look great, but the real room is old.
Oh, I know. I visited one place that looked beautiful online.
And in reality?
It was dark and very noisy. The window was right next to a busy street.
Oh no, that is terrible. Did you rent it?
No way. I need a quiet place to sleep.
Me too. Location is very important. I like to be near a park.
Or near a supermarket. That is convenient.
So what did you do next?
I found another ad for a nice one-bedroom apartment.
Did you call the owner?
Yes, I called the landlord to make an appointment.
Landlord is the person who owns the house, right?
Correct. He was very nice. He showed me the apartment on a Tuesday.
What did you check when you were there?
I checked the water pressure in the shower.
That is smart. A weak shower is annoying.
I also checked the lights and the windows.
Did the apartment have furniture?
No, it was empty. I had to buy a bed and a sofa.
I prefer furnished apartments. It is easier.
I understand. Moving furniture is heavy work.
So did you take the apartment?
I did. I told the landlord I want to take it.
That is a great feeling. Finding the perfect home.
It really is. Then we had to discuss the money.
Sophia, we used some important words just now. Let's explain them.
Good idea. The first important word is landlord.
A landlord is the person who owns the apartment. You pay them money.
Right. And the person who lives there, like me or you, is called the tenant.
So the landlord rents to the tenant. I see.
Another important word is deposit.
Ah, yes, the deposit. This is money you pay before you move in.
Exactly. It is security money. If you break something, the landlord keeps the money.
But if the apartment is clean when you leave, you get the money back.
Correct. And one more word, utilities.
Utilities are things like electricity, water, and gas.
Sometimes utilities are included in the rent, but usually you pay extra.
It is important to ask about utilities before you sign anything.
Do you have any tips for our listeners who are looking for a house?
Yes, I have a few. First, always visit the apartment in person.
That is great advice. Don't trust only the photos.
Second, visit the neighborhood at night
Why at night?
to see if it is safe and quiet. Maybe it is noisy after dark.
That is very smart. I never thought of that.
My last tip is read the contract carefully.
Yes, take your time. Do not sign if you do not understand.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
Yes, we talked about searching for an apartment online.
We talked about visiting the place and checking the water and lights.
We learned words like landlord, tenant, deposit, and utilities.
And we gave some tips on how to be safe and smart.
Renting is a big step, but you can do it.
We hope this episode helps you find your dream home.
Thank you for listening to the English Buddy podcast today.
We have a question for you to answer in the comments.
Yes, please tell us, what is the most important thing for your apartment?
Is it a big kitchen, a quiet bedroom, or maybe a balcony?
Let us know. We love reading your answers.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye-bye.